Hey there, Christopher Thunder here from Rider of the Storm in the world's dirtiest workshop. I'm here with my XR650L, which has quit. It's 80 degrees out and it's Texas. It is tree to tree. When you push your bike with your palms down, like that way, right? Don't push it like this, push it like this. Lean forward and drive your hips down and forward. Then as the bike pushes away, raise your hips back up again and take the next step. Using your hips as weight to unfold your body. So if my knuckles are my hips, you're unfolding your body as you push the bike. This will help you use your body weight to get the bike to move forward. I know people don't talk about how do you push your bike home. Hey, Christopher Thunder, teacher. Thanks for watching.